Hi, it's Kevin with S&B, and today I'm showing you our 24-gallon water tank. This is part number 10-3005. Today we're showing you an installed on a 148 Transit. This also fits the Sprinters 144 and 170. Just to show you the tank to start, this tank is a over the wheel well design. The same distance in the front, same distance in the back around the wheel well. Fits on the driver's side and on the passenger side. We'll start with the passenger side, show you what it looks like there, then we'll flip it over to the driver's side to go over some dimensions. The height of the tank, 16. Length of the tank is 48. And the width of the tank is 14. So on the Transit, there is a little room around the wheel well. You can stuff some more insulation there. So when we have it centered up around the wheel well, the space from the tank to the rear of the van is exactly 7 inches. And the tank comes with 2 new straps. So in a situation like this where the strap doesn't meet up perfectly with the body, we have found that using pre-punch, something like this you can find at Home Depot or a hardware store, works perfectly on bridging the gap. You can even use these already installed nuts right here. Then you could use a 3/8 inch bolt. The bolts that we include are a little bit larger, they're M10. But those are perfectly for the plus nut, perfect for the plus nuts that we install down here, and then it's perfect for a strap like this that isn't touching the body, but could be touching the body with a spacer or a stack of washers. The fittings that we use on the tank, we have a 1/2 inch on the bottom, 1.5 inches, 1/2 inch again, 1.5 inches. This is perfect for your fill. This is perfect for your vent. If you're running something like this with just a gravity feed spout, if you can run from an 1.5 inch fitting to 1.25 inch, either a 90 or a straight. Hook it up to here, and then either have it mounted on this side of your cabinets or on the rear. We have an 1.5 inch spin weld on the top as well. This is a KUS. This is a 15-inch long level sender. We'll have information on this on the site as well. This works perfectly for the depth of the tank. Just threads right here into the top of the tank. And then the spin welds that we have on the front are the same that we have on the rear. So if you wanted to have your feed to go into a pump that way, that works out as well, or you could have the feed go into the pump coming out of the bottom. And now we'll get the tank flipped over to the driver's side so we can show you what it looks like on the driver's side as well. Now on the driver's side, you can see how this tank is installed. We already reviewed what fittings we have on the front and the rear of the tank. Again, a situation like this works perfectly to have this pre-punch. Lines up with the body panel, then gives you your hole to mount your strap. Again, notes on this, we talked about it here, we talked about on the other side of it. Depending on where you have it mounted, it's about 7 inches from the rear of the van. Let us know if you have any other questions or if you need anything. I guess one other note to make would be the level center gets moved up to the front when it's on the driver's side.